Here's a look at one of our recent roof replacement projects in Cypress, Texas. The Telge Roofing crew was all hands on deck for this full roof replacement. We're a GAF Master Elite contractor, a GAF President's Club 3-star gold recipient, and Better Business Bureau A+ rated, so you can trust you're getting the highest level of roofing expertise in the industry. Whether you need a full roof replacement, storm damage repair, or just a routine inspection, we've got you covered. This Cypress home now features a fully replaced high-performance roofing system, complete with integrated solar panels for added efficiency, a solar-powered attic fan for improved ventilation, and substantial long-term savings. Call us today at 281-607-2080 for your free, no obligation roof inspection.